on WFO's 12 Rigs of Christmas. We're standing here with Danika. She runs our shipping department, and this is her 1990 Chevy short bed half-ton that she built with her brother and dad. So tell us about this truck. When did you get this?
I got this at 15, so I started driving it at 16 in high school. This has been my baby.
So tell us a little bit about the truck. What's the gear ratio? Does it have lockers?
It's got a 456 ARB front and rear.
Dude, ARBs front and rear, that's awesome.
Oh yeah!
And what rear end is in it?
14 bolt.
So it has the semi-float 14 bolt, which is still 6 lug, which those have 33 spline axle shafts in them. And then the front end is what? Dana 44, right?
Yep.
So this front end is a 78 F250 high pinion 44, and they put 6 lug outers on it so they could keep the Chevy pattern. Very hard front end to find. And it has our front box drop, shackle hangers, a lot of our parts put in the solid axle in this thing. So Danika, tell us about this truck. I mean, it's got all the good stuff on it. Have you taken it out four-wheeling? Do you four-wheel it?
Yes, I do four-wheel it. We've gone out to Cisco Grove, out in Bowman, and
So Danika, how old are you?
I'm 18.
She's 18 years old. She completely runs our shipping department, and you no longer have to drive this truck, right? Because what'd you do?
I bought a 2011 Chevy Silverado.
She bought her truck all on her own, pays her own insurance, and now this is her toy. So all you young ladies out there aspiring to be somebody, here's a good role model right here. Stay tuned tomorrow, and we'll take another look at another one of WFO's 12 Rigs of Christmas. See ya.